Today, I'm gonna show you a clever little trick to stop the inside of your car windows misting up and getting wet. To do this, we're gonna use a pair of socks, and I'm gonna fill them with cat litter. I'm using this silica crystal cat litter, which is super absorbent. It helps remove any damp odors, and it gives off hardly any dust. If you're using old socks, make sure they haven't got any holes in. And to help fill them, I'm gonna stretch a sock over a roll of tape, like this. Then go ahead and tip in the cat litter. When you filled up to the ankle, remove the tape and tie a knot in the end. And finally, to make it all a bit stronger, I'm gonna tuck the whole thing into the other sock. When you're done, it should look like this, and it's now ready to put into your car. You can put it on the dashboard or hide it under the seats, and it'll slowly absorb any moisture in the car. After a few days, you should start to notice a difference, and hopefully fogged up windows will be a thing of the past.